Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a tiny little haul from the Dollar Tree. Quick little haul. So, oops, I just dropped some of my stuff. Picked up some more calendars, just to use in my glue book, and I've been in the mood to do that recently. So, you can see the different colors. Sometimes I fuss to cut them out, sometimes I just rip them out, but I like the colors on them. And these are 2-packs, so that's pretty nice. They're the larger print and the smaller prints, and I think they're different backgrounds. They are different backgrounds. Same thing with these floral ones. Look at that orange and stuff in there. I got that because those orange and purples, and then this one got your butterflies and your blooms. So again, just to have fun images to fussy cut, and you see me using these in my Julie Nutting dolls. I use them on tags. I use them on any kind of, like on ATCs, iCads, on anything. So, you know, anything that you can use mixed media. You need an instant background. Boom. Really great to have that. 2 of these organizers. Just been organizing some stuff, so I'll pick up some of those. Then I also got, you know, one of the white packs as well. They come too. And then, like I said, it's a small little haul. But it had the strands of pearls, the gold, the pearl, and the silver, so I got those. And then I got 2 of these wood planks. I thought these would be nice to alter. And honestly, it looks like a Ziploc bag, resealable. But anyway, these are 7.1 by 2.8. So these are wood tags that you can alter. And again, you could use those calendar pages on them. Any kind of your mixed media. You can use your Julie Nutting dolls, anything. So, and that's my plan for these, is to alter them and to have some fun. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.